Welcome back, everyone. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to easily view all the photos shared on Facebook Messenger. Just stick around until the end, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips. With this method, you can access all the photos and videos you've sent or received without having to scroll through individual conversations. To get started, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Navigate to the chat where you want to see all the shared photos. Tap on the name of your friend or the group at the top of the conversation screen. Alternatively, you can tap the info icon in the top right corner. Next, scroll down to the More Actions section and select View Media, Files, and Links. You will now see a comprehensive list of all the media, files, and links exchanged between you and that contact, including photos, videos, and documents. Simply scroll through the list until you find the photos you're looking for. Tap on any photo to view it in full screen or download it to your device. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily view all shared photos and videos in your Messenger conversations. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials and tips.